What if I told you that you don't need a job to make money in 2026? You just need AI. Right now, thousands of people are using simple AI tools to make $50, $100, even $500 per day online.
And the best part? Most of these tools are free or very cheap.
I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can actually help you start making money online. Let's dive in. Start making money now. First on the list is ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog posts. It generates content like this in seconds. Many beginners are making money on Fiverr and Upwork just by using AI to write content faster. You don't need to be an expert writer. You just need to know how to give good prompts. If you charge $20 per article and write 5 per day, that's $100 daily. Next is Canva with AI features. You can create thumbnails, Instagram posts. You can sell simple logo designs for $25, $50 each. It's a great way to start earning money as a freelancer. You can sell simple logo designs for $25, $50 each. It's a great way to start earning money as a freelancer. And with AI, it only takes minutes. No graphic design experience required. This is powerful. AI video tools like Pictory can turn text into videos automatically. You can start a faceless YouTube channel. You can create motivational videos. You can even sell video creation services. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. And YouTube pays in dollars. Tools like Durable AI can create full websites in minutes. Local businesses need websites. You can create a simple site, charge $200, build it in less than 1 hour. That's serious money. See how this button activates it instantly, then add affiliate links from Amazon or other platforms. Every time someone buys, you earn commission.
Many people are making passive income this way.
Real estate investing made easy.
Your balance is growing. Join now.
The opportunity in 2026 is massive. You don't need a degree. You don't need a big investment. You just need consistency and action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI money tips.
Your future income might depend on what you learn today.